Hey you guys, it's Brianca and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrow routine using drugstore products. These are all high-end product dupes. You know, the products that you can get from Sephora and stuff that are like $30 and stuff like that. No, nothing in this tutorial is over $10. So, you know, drugstores have some good stuff. You know, we be sleeping on the drugstore brand. That's what I'm going to show you guys today. If you're interested in seeing what products that I use from the drugstore to do my eyebrows, stay tuned and keep watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave if you're not already subscribed, as it will help my channel grow. I've been consistent. This is what, my third video this month, and that's big for me because it is. But anyways, thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Peace out.
First, I'm going to start out with this eyebrow gel from e.l.f. You guys, I love eyebrow gel because I have thick brows and it just holds my hairs in place.
Girl, this product is only $3. Okay, $3. You cannot beat $3. So
I am in desperate need of getting my eyebrows threaded, you guys. Please do not judge my brows. We are in quarantine, honey.
I'm gonna let that dry a little bit. Then I'm gonna use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color black. Now I like to use black because my hairs are really dark. My natural hair is jet black. So if you have lighter hair or brown hair, they have other colors. Like I like to use the color Espresso on my clients. They have like kind of brown hair. And this product is only $9.99, you guys, and you can get this at Target. It is a dupe for the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil, which is like $22, and this is only $9.99, and it'll literally give you the exact same results, the same effects. I love this pencil. I use this pencil all the time, you guys, so this not like a little fake review, like I just went and bought some stuff and used it. No, this is stuff that I actually use that I think would benefit you.
I'm going to start out by carving out the shape of my brow that I want. The easiest way that I can explain this is to just trace the natural arch of your natural brow and fill in any gaps that you have, you guys. And when you get to the front of your brows, you want to flick your pencil upwards because that's going to give you hair-like strokes. And as you can see, my left brow has a mole, so I kind of have to make my right brow a little bit longer, but that's okay because your eyebrows are sisters and not twins. Just take your time and fill in any gaps in your brow that you have. Any place that you see your hairs are sparse, you want to just flick the pencil, and that's going to give it hair-like strokes to fill in your brows. This is going to give you a more natural look to your brows.
I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. You guys, this is $10. I got this from Target as well, and this is comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape, which is $27 that you get from Ulta. It's only $10, and when I tell you it's a great quality concealer for the price, $27 or $10. Which one you gonna pick? I think we both gonna pick $10, okay? And the color that I'm using is Golden Caramel. I'm also gonna use this brush that I got from e.l.f. that was only $4, y'all. It's a concealer brush, but this is so good for cleaning up under the brows. It comes in a little packet like this. I already took mine out, but it's only $4. Just a flat brush like this, but it's so good for cleaning up the brows. I use this all the time too, you guys. I'm just telling y'all all my secrets. So what I do is I put a little bit on the back of my hand like this. You can also tap it on the actual applicator too if you want to, but I like to put it on the back of my hand because it's just easier for me. I like to do both sides so that way I don't have to keep dipping back into it.
The purpose of the concealer is to clean up any mistakes that we made and to make our brows look nice and neat, you guys. So I just trace along the brow that I just filled in and I drag my brush down, you guys. As you can see here, you want to take your time with this. Just trace around your brow basically and clean up anything that you know, if you overdrew or anything. Just, it's basically concealer is like an eraser. Then I'm going in with the Morphe M433 brush to blend out the concealer. This brush is not drugstore, but you can take any fluffy brush that you see or that you have in the store to blend this out. And you really want to do a good job at blending, you guys, so you don't have a harsh line at the bottom of your brows, because it's not cute.
Then I'm gonna go in with the foundation that I use today, which is drugstore. It's the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in Truffle 362. You can use any foundation that you have laying around, but I'm gonna use the one that I have, and this was $9 or $8. I got this from Target as well. I always like to go in with a foundation for the top of my brow because you don't want to have that highlighted pale look on top of your brows when you take pictures and stuff like that. So that way it just blends in with the foundation that you already have on. You get what I'm saying? So it's just like when you take a picture, everything looks blended, everything looks seamless. So I put a little bit on the back of my hand like I did that concealer.
And we're going to do the same thing on top as we did on the bottom of the brow. You just want to go in and correct any mistakes that you made and make the brow look sharper and more clean. And I'm going to go in and blend it out with the same brush. Just make sure you do a really good job at blending, because blending is key with anything in makeup. Take your time, take your time, take your time. I'm gonna go back in with that brush and just take whatever product is left on the brush and just correct any mistakes that I made. I think I made my brow a little bit too long on the front. Then I'm gonna go back in with the Eyebrow Gel and just set the hairs in place one final time to make sure that they're staying in place. And voila, you guys, here goes my final brows. I love brows. Brows is one of my favorite parts of makeup. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I love you guys so much and I appreciate you for watching. See you next time.